Thanks to the Inflation Reduction Act and the EPA Energy Star Home Upgrade, you and your customer can save money for making energy-efficient upgrades to their home. Hi, I'm Erin with Resideo, and I want to share some tips on how to encourage your customers to install Energy Star certified appliances when upgrading their homes. First, let's discuss the advantages of suggesting Energy Star certified appliances to all your customers. Staying informed about energy-efficient solutions can enhance your professional knowledge and expertise, which can be beneficial for your career growth. Offering Energy Star certified products can set you apart from competitors who may not provide such energy-efficient solutions, giving you a competitive edge in today's HVAC market. Recommending and installing Energy Star certified products can lead to increased sales and installation opportunities of other products that are energy efficient, contributing to revenue growth for your HVAC business. Satisfied customers who benefit from energy savings and improved comfort are more likely to remain loyal to your HVAC services and return for future needs, and are more likely to recommend your services to friends and family, resulting in additional business. Now that we have covered the benefits, here's a 5-step strategy to help you sell your customers Energy Star certified products. First, you will want to identify potential customers that would benefit from an energy-efficient upgrade, where the energy savings, along with the tax credits that last until 2032 and other IRA and utility incentives, would make the investment worthwhile. Next, ensure you have a deep understanding of Energy Star devices, their features and benefits, emphasizing how these devices are certified for energy efficiency by a trusted authority. In terms of what set of products to recommend, you can introduce them to the Energy Star Home Upgrade as a source of guidance. Highlight the immediate and long-term cost savings to customers who upgrade to Energy Star equipment. Assess their current systems, energy usage, and climate control requirements to recommend the most suitable Energy Star upgrades. Help them set up their new product, like a smart thermostat, so they can enjoy the most potential energy and utility bill savings and view you as a trusted source of expertise. Be knowledgeable about any local or federal energy efficiency rebates or incentives available to your customers who install Energy Star certified products, and be prepared to help them navigate the application process. Check out the tax credit and rebate finder pages on EnergyStar.gov to find out the incentives that your customers and you might be eligible for. For additional information, please visit EnergyStar.gov/home upgrade. Thanks for watching.